So here we have a number square up to 30, and we're going to be looking at how many mittens we have in the picture. So let's look at the first two. Now, if you didn't have 100 square and you were counting, you can always write the number 2 so you know where you've been. Cross off the mittens so you know which ones you've already done. So we've got 2, add 2 is 4, then add another 2 is 6, add another 2 is 8. Remember, to help you keep track, you could always write the number 8 underneath. 10, 20, 10, 12. So remember, if we're doing jumps after 10, we do a big jump to 11 and 12. So now we're at 14, then 16, 18, 20, 20 mittens. So let's look at how many eyes we've got. So we've got one jump of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had 8 there, so we've got 2. That 2 is 4. That 2 is 6. Then we've got 8. So we're 8 there. So then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps to go. I think. So adding 2, we've got to 10. And 12, 14, 16, add another 2, 18. Now, even though this is a number line up to 20, you can see that it's not just a number line that's going up in ones, it's going up in twos. Alright, so make sure when you are looking at number lines, you need to see the values and intervals between each of them. So for example, there might be a 1 going up in ones, but this number line is going up in twos. There are 18 eyes. So finally, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cards of orange. Someone comes and takes 2, we've got to 10. Someone takes another 2, we're going backwards now, so we're on 8. Someone's taken some more, so then we've got 6, 4, 2, 0.